Hello guys, welcome back to my channel where the makeup and sass keeps you coming back for more. It's Jilly here, and today is gonna be a September favorite video. I haven't done one of these in a really long time, but I have actually been trying a lot of really good products throughout the month of September, so I figured I'd share those with y'all today. But before we jump into these goodies, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, because like literally, what else are you gonna do? You might as well just hit the subscribe button, it's right there. Anywho, as well as follow me on both Instagram and Twitter. Both of those are _ it's Jilly. Now let's jump into these products. All right, so let's jump into these products. Throughout the month of September, I have been trying a lot of really good things. I haven't really had a lot of flops, which is why I won't have any like bad products in this video. Honestly, it's been a really good experience throughout the month of September, hoping to keep that going. I've got a couple new things coming in that I'm going to be reviewing for y'all, so hopefully they work out. The first product that I'm going to go ahead and talk about is this Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Bronzer. I do use mine in the shade Deep, so this is number 4. It's deep. There are 4 shades. I love this bronzer. If you guys didn't know, I have been on an entire bronzer kick lately, and honestly, this is just a really good, solid product. It goes on really, really well. Just makes you look just nice and flush. Like I'm wearing it today, of course, and you guys can just see how radiant it just makes you look. It gives you that like sun-kissed, I don't know, I love it. So I'm obsessed with this. Yes, this is a little bit pricey. I think this is $55, but I do think you get your money's worth with this because it's a pretty big product. You get like 0.56 ounces in here, and that is definitely pretty big for a bronzer, I think, although don't quote me because I haven't really looked at the size of my other bronzers. But moving on, I've got another Charlotte Tilbury product here. This is going to be her Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. Again, another product that I used today and I really, really, really like. I think it works really, really well to like set your face. I know it looks like I've used a lot of the product, but half of it did spill on its way to me from Sephora. So I got another one for free from them. But yeah, this is a pretty great product. If you were interested in trying it out, I would definitely say give it a go. They do have a mini version, which I think is $20 instead of buying the full version for almost $40 just to give it a little bit of a test. Some more makeup goodies. This one is a surprise to me, you know, guys. I don't usually like liquid, like luminizer type things. However, this liquid luminizer, highlighter, whatever you want to call it, by Rare Beauty, which is that Selena Gomez beauty brand, is really it. So this one is in the shade Captivate. And let me tell y'all, this has really captivated me. I am super obsessed with this. Again, another product that I am wearing on my face today. I have literally like not stopped wearing this like since I got it. Every single time I like find an excuse to wear makeup, this is my go-to highlighter. Like if you are a dark chocolate girl, this is for you. Like Selena made this for us and you need to go get it now. Like legitimately, this is such a good highlighter. I'm obsessed with it, cannot stop using it. It definitely reminds me of the Fenty Beauty highlighter. Oh my god, I can't remember the name of it, but it's the one that I have and I'm super obsessed with. What's the name? It's gonna come to me. It has the same like rose goldy type, but this one's a little bit more like bronze than rose gold. Still super great product. Please try this out if you were interested. And my last makeup product of the month that I have been literally obsessed with, I've actually gotten 4 people to buy this foundation. So NARS, y'all need to come holla at me because baby, I have been the spokesperson for the NARS Soft Matte Foundation. Y'all, if you haven't seen my review video on this, please go check it out. I will link it up above. It'll be down below in the description bar. Please go check it out. This foundation, y'all, where do I even begin? If you are an oily girl, number one, this is for you. If you have normal skin, this is for you. If you have dry skin, this is for you. This foundation is so nice, so luxurious. It goes on like just so nice. There's a really good shade range, and I've had a lot of people tell me that they've been able to find like their perfect match with this foundation, and I'm wearing it today as well. I wear the shade Marquise Medium Deep 5, and I also think that it's a very, very good shade for my face to my chest, not my neck. Like, that's weird. But I absolutely love this foundation. I don't know how many other things I can say about this. This is definitely a foundation that I see myself using and finishing and buying again a million times, because I'm that obsessed with this foundation. I haven't been this obsessed with the foundation since the Pat McGrath one came out last year, and let me tell y'all, this foundation is giving Pat McGrath a run for her money, because this is amazing. So as I've already said, like, please do not walk, run to buy this. It's fantastic. So moving on to some skincare. I do want to say that I recently purchased this Tatcha Essence, and I think it has really made a major difference in my skincare routine. So if you guys don't know, like, an essence is kind of something that's just supposed to go on before you put anything else. Like, once you cleanse your face and it's fresh and clean, you put an essence on to just kind of like open up your pores and help all the other products you put on top of it sink into your skin a little bit more. And I've got to say that this has really done that for me. Like I said, I can't tell you guys how much of a difference I feel with my skin. Like, my skin feels so much plumper, so much softer. This is pretty pricey, which is why I do have the mini version that I got in another kit with like another product in it. And so again, like, this is a kind of pricey product, but if you were interested, I highly recommend. As always, guys, I know that sometimes I may show you guys a lot of expensive products. If you cannot afford them, please do not go out of your way to try to get these products. I just want to tell you guys what I have been enjoying. I am in no way, shape, or form trying to force you to buy any products. I just wanted to put that out there just in case somebody got, you know, just want to cover all my bases here. The next skincare product that I really want to rave about is this Fenty Total Cleanser, baby. So as y'all can see, I'm like, I've used up my cleanser, okay? I have actually been using this every single day since I got it. I love it. I think this is the product I use the most out of the 3 that she came out with from the skincare line. I think this is fantastic. I am obsessed with this. I mainly use this in the morning though. I don't really use it as like a makeup remover cleanser. It can do that, but for some reason I just like using it in the morning because of the smell, and it just really like gives me a great way to start my day. Like, I'm just like not gonna lie to you, the smell of this really gets to me. It really cleans out my skin and just makes me ready, and I feel like it wakens my skin up in the morning so that we're ready to start the day. So again, if you haven't gotten this, you probably should. Also, Rihanna just came out with mini versions of the entire skincare line, so if you didn't want to buy the entire thing because you're like, really, there are mini versions for y'all to try out if you were interested. So now we're gonna move on to hair care. I don't normally talk about hair care, but I've got 2 products here that I actually think have been making a really big difference in my hair. All right, so these products are both from this brand Apogee, and I think I kind of talked about this in an earlier video that I posted, but I realized that my hair really likes keratin protein type products. And so these two products have really like just been doing great work for my hair within the past month. So the first one we're going to talk about is the ApHogee Keratin 2-Minute Restructure, and this one adds strength and softness in one step, and it is quick and effective against heat and chemical damage. I actually kind of think sometimes this brand is tailored toward people with like permed hair or extremely heat damaged hair. However, I have found that it has worked really well for my skin. For my hair. I love using this in the shower. I put it on obviously for 2 to 5 minutes, and then I rinse it off, and I'm telling you guys, this leaves my hair feeling so nice. And I've actually just been noticing like kind of my hair's gotten a little bit thicker since I've started using this, and it's really been like holding itself a little bit better. So highly recommend if you're looking for something to add some strength to your hair. The second product is going to be this Keratin Green Tea Restructurizer. Again, another restructurizer, just because I feel like my hair really suffers a lot from being weak. Even though I cut it off and I'm starting fresh, I still feel like it struggles. So I want as many products in there that are gonna really try to give those follicles some strength so they can grow and be luscious. I'm actually really liking what's going on with my hair these days, but I really think these products are working for me. I actually have another one in a spray bottle. So this is a new one that I just bought, and I'm just showing you guys this one because I threw the other one away. But I'm absolutely obsessed with this spray as well. I put it in a spray bottle, and I also put some leave-in conditioner in there with a little bit of water and spray my hair in the morning to get it started, because you know I have like bed hair and stuff, and my god, I'm telling you, it looks great. I mean, you guys can look at my hair right now. It's really alive, has some shine to it, and I really do think these two products have been making a really big difference for me this month. So guys, that's gonna be it for our September favorites. I really hope you guys check out some of these products if you can. If you guys have favorites that you found out about throughout the month of September, please let me know down below. I am always looking for new products to try for you guys, to let you guys know, or if there's anything you guys want me to try, please comment down below and I will let y'all know how it goes. But yeah, that's it from me. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. We talk about this all the time. Just go ahead and subscribe. Come on, guys. As well as follow me on both Twitter and Instagram. Both of those are _itsjilly, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching.